Welcome to the exciting journey of applying to the Honours Bachelor in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. In addition to other admission criteria for this program, points will be awarded for submission of a digital portfolio. Submission of this portfolio is mandatory and gives applicants the opportunity to earn points towards admission. In your digital portfolio, we're looking for you to demonstrate your interest in engineering and your innovative, creative problem-solving skills. Now, let's walk through the process of submitting your portfolio for the application. First, gather your most significant projects. This could include project work from leaving certificate engineering, design, construction studies, computer science, or other such subjects. It could also include projects completed for competitions such as SciFest, Young Scientist of the Year, and Junior Entrepreneur Program, among others. Students who do not have project-based subjects can use examples from any industry or work experience or from everyday life that demonstrates how they solved a problem. Did you have a summer job or work placement where you were faced with a process that needed to be changed or improved? Did you and your friends create something for fun? Was there a project at home or in the garden where you applied creative thinking and problem-solving skills to create something new or make something work better? This can be a product you made or a process you improved. Use the application to describe the problem and why you needed to make it better. Detail the steps and actions you took and outline the impact of the improvements you made. Finally, detail what you learned from the experience. Include your thoughts on what worked well and what would you change if you were to do it again. Include anything else you think would be good for the reviewer to know about your skills. To upload your portfolio, go to the program website at www.reedi.ie. Follow the step-by-step guide on how to submit your portfolio on your computer or phone and submit your portfolio as instructed. Don't forget to include your name, CAO number, and school name. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email. Our admissions team will review your application and portfolio thoroughly. If you have questions at any stage of the process, please contact REEDI Kerry at MTU.ie. We hope to see you at MTU in the future.